Meaning of animals in dream. The language is full of sayings like, proud like a lion, slid like a fish, and, free like a bird, full of symbolism for using dreams. Dreams bring these words to life and tell animal stories about you and your life. For example, a dream about a dying fish in a fishbowl symbolically warns of an urgent urinary tract infection. The fishbowl symbolizes this person's bladder, and fish live in water, so a dying fish indicates that something is wrong with that part of his body. To dream of finding a white horse in a snowstorm, the horse symbolizes personal strength to move forward in treacherous personal circumstances. White animals are usually messengers of the unconscious mind, and the horse symbolizes strength. In a dream about 3 drowned kittens in a pool but one is still alive, the kitten qualities of the young dreamer are killed, but that kitten left alive shows that he is trying to protect a part of himself from extinction. However, other associations can be made with fish, horses, and kittens. For example, if your only experience with a horse is someone kicking you, you probably won't dream about it in a good context. What an animal means to you in a dream is more important than the slapdash definitions like in typical dream dictionaries. Consider the qualities and characteristics of the animals in your dreams. One man's dog is a faithful companion, to another, it is a noisy distraction. Both are common terms. Which one fits your dreams? To find out what an animal in your dream means, connect the animal to your experiences, perceptions, and feelings. Also consider appropriate speech patterns and caricatures from books, movies, cartoons, and TV shows that imbue everything from ants to birds to elephants with human characteristics and voices. Your experiences and impressions of the creatures in your dreams will help determine what they symbolize. In general, the harsher the creature, the more instinctive or primitive the feelings or behaviors associated with it. We all have natures that are similar to some animals or creatures. For example, rabbits and bulls are known for their mating instinct. Gazelles and deer are known for their running instinct. Lions and dogs are known for their instinct to defend their territory. Humans have these instincts too. Humans are compared to animals and creatures with expressions like, sneaky like a cat, friendly like a dog, and treacherous like a snake. A single image can sum up a person's behavior or personality. Animal comparisons can be very accurate ways of describing what we observe in humans and ourselves. Pay attention to the age of the animal. A puppy, kitten, or other young animal can represent something new or young in you, or something that needs to mature. An old dog can be a play on, you old dog, meaning cunning or clever. It can symbolize an older figure in your life or something that is ending. Parents of young children are known to dream about baby animals because comparisons between young children and young animals are easy to make and in fact, often made in the media and in everyday conversation. For example, a mother may call her child, my little tigress, and then dream of a tigress and not understand the relationship between it and her child. Frequent dreams of abusing young animals, such as puppies and kittens, are well-known signs of early childhood abuse. White animals are a favorable dream sign because they represent harmony between the conscious mind, the subconscious, and your instincts. Black animals, on the other hand, can be a sign of a lack of harmony or a hostile relationship with your instincts. However, some animals are naturally white or black. The symbolism applies to situations where color has been intentionally omitted. Because there are so many possibilities, this dream dictionary lists certain creatures and what they may symbolize. Remember that the animal symbolism in your dreams is given in the context of the dream story. In other words, the white rabbit you chase out of the hole may refer to something rabbit-like about the person, such as the desire to hide or protect oneself.